showing how to use the ACARD portal too. First of all, this is under the fees, and if you click on the fees, you will see the group, the fee type, fee invoice, and the rest. So first of all, we click on the fee group. The fee group contains a name, which is name of the fee, particular fee you want. Let's go with school fees for this. And for the description, let's go with payment of money to validate attendance. Alright, so this is payment of money to validate attendance and participation in education. Then save it. Now you can see it as reflected here. Name, school fees, description, and then if you want to edit, probably change any description, you can also tap and edit. If you want to delete it, you can as well delete it. Now this particular fee payment is for a student called Kelechi Okafor, so it's registered under Kelechi Okafor. Now let's go under the fee type. So the fee type is under the fee group. Now for the fee type, let's go with school fees. Tuition fee. Okay. Okay, now we have registered school fees. Under school fees is the tuition fee. Now you can either edit this or delete this. Now it's saved. Now we go to the invoice. And the invoice will take you to the list of students attending this particular school. So an invoice for Kelechi Okafor, and this is how the invoice dashboard looks like. And then we go to add, and then we start by his class, primary 1. Select students, type the student's name you want to add, Kelechi Okafor in primary 1. Here he is, and add a due date if necessary. And payment status, let's say he has fully made his payments, and the payment method, let's say he paid in cash. And then we go back here and add the fee type. Kelechi is paying his tuition fee, and in the fee type there is the science lab fee and there is the school fees. So he is making payments for his school fees. So let's say the school fees is 50,000, and he has fully made the payments for 50,000. That's why it's reflected here. And then you save. If you want to add any notes, you can as well add it here, but then we don't need. Okay, let's just say let's add something. Let's say paid in full and save. So here Kelechi has made his payments, and then we move to fee carry forward. Now if any student was supposed to have paid partial payments, it would reflect here. Once you click on the student class, either SS1 primary or any of the section primary, and click on search, it should reflect here. Now these are the list of students that are owing partial payments. As you can see down here, all the students are having their fee carried forward. And next we move on to fee carry forward setting. Now those students, if you want to extend their due dates, this is where you are going to do that. If you want to extend it to 100 days, to 2 days, to a week time, you can add it here. And then this is where you select the payment method you want that student to pay, either to wallet, check, paystack, any of them. You can click on any of them. Let's click on wallet, and then you update. See, updated, operation successful. And then we move to fee carry forward log. This entails the list of students that are having their fee, that are still owing the schools, that are having their fee carried forward. Let's go to let's choose Okeke Chiamaka, knowing she's owing. Just click on search, and there's no data here, meaning that Okeke Chiamaka is not owing the school. So whoever students you want to then check on, you can just click here, and then if that students owing the school, it will reflect here. Last but not the least, bank payment. So students that you gave so this is under bank payments. Now students that have the due date of a week time, that's from 9th to 16th, would reflect here. Now let's check on primary 1, or let's go to a different. So you enter the student's class, which is primary, and you search for the particular student you're looking for. That particular student you want to know his or her bank information, that's if he or she pays through bank. So you enter the student's name and you click on search, and whatever payment that was done by this particular student through the bank would reflect here.